Oh my gosh, I got that on camera. I got it on camera. What's up, Better Days? It's Thursday, May 9th, and yesterday we had historic flooding. We're at Center Hill Dam, and the water's up, even though it's off. You can see, maybe, there's water leaking out of the floodgates up there. It's because the water is above lake level. But they can't run this right here because downstream is flooded. So we've got a backed up high water situation. And this is one of the only spots you can fish in Middle Tennessee right now that isn't just completely flooded. We've got beautiful clear water and beautiful clear skies. Gray skies have cleared up. We're gonna put on a happy face and try to catch us some trout and some crappie. Alright, this is a big no-no. I can't tell you how many times I've seen this, but I can tell you how much it costs. Not wearing your life jacket, like these guys right here, is more than $250 ticket. The fine is small, like 70 or 80 bucks, but the court cost is tremendous, like 180 to $200. And I watched a guy buy himself a nice big ticket down here. You've got to wear your life jacket below the dam. There's two big signs that tell you exactly which point you have to wear it. There's just no excuse. You have to. I know, I'm a bummer. It's a bummer that I should even have to mention it though. Got him. Little trouter. Hold me close now, tiny trouter. Rookie. Yep. Just flop off the hook now. You don't need to come in. There we go. We're gonna get into as many as we want today. This clear, clean water after that big storm is gonna make them really active. There's another one. Catch as many as you want out here. And this is the only clean water. This is where they'll be brown. So a brook and a brown real fast. I'm glad I brought a lunch because it's going to be a long day of catching fish. That's gonna be a trout. I want a crappie. It's gonna be a trout. It can jump off. Brook. It's like a trophy, 10 inches. But like, that's not an accomplishment right now because they put them in here 10 inches long. And I just assume they pop off. It's a little trout magnet with a bobby garland. We're trying to get them crappies. But that one hit the boat, so he counts. Crappie thump. Oh my goodness, crappie thump. Get the net. Get the net. Oh my goodness, crappie thump. Come on. Come on. Nice crappie. Come on. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. Yes, 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 yes. Our fourth fish of the day is our numero uno target species. Crappie master. Crappie master, you're the one. Wah, wah. You make crappie so much fun. Come on, buddy. He's in there like swimwear. He's in there like swimwear. He's in there like swimwear. My man is in there. My man is swimwear. Man is in there like swimwear. He's in here like swimwear. Going on a stringer. I'm getting stringer full of crappie today. I'm getting stringer full of crappie today. On a day in which you should not catch crappie, I'm getting crappie today. Boy, everybody else looking at that flood, wondering what they're gonna do, and I'm sitting up here. Oh, I just got one underneath the boat. I got one underneath the boat. I was sitting here talking about catching fish, and this one came up and hit my jig while I was hanging under the boat. That's how crazy the fish are going. This trophy fish he just hit it right under the boat. I know it's a trophy. Oh, it's so close, 9 3/4. I just had my bobby garland dangling under the boat, and this trout came up and munched it. Just had it right here, like that, 4 feet under the boat, like that right there. Because they're just going crazy. I just caught 2. I gotta get them on the clicker. Oh. having to be patient, but we're getting good fish, and a lot of them. We're even getting what we want, which is crappie on this little jig. So let's go ahead and try to stick it here. Dab of Gorilla Glue on there. Oh, I'm about out of Gorilla Glue. I can't get any to come out. Crappie. Be a crappie. Oh, it was a crappie. It was just small. It was right here in front of the boat. Right out in front of the boat. I mean, it was like right there. There's another one. Oh, it's a crappie. All right, the crappie are loading up in here. That's a black nose. That's a black nose. Now it's not going to be big enough to keep. Not going to be big enough to keep, but it's a black nose crappie. It's a good catch. Right out in front of the boat. We've hooked two real fast. That means they're loading up in here. Crappie, big old crappie. Oh my gosh, I got a good one. Oh my gosh, I got a good one. I got a big one. Hang on. Oh my gosh, I got a big one. Oh yes, yes. I'm telling you, they're loading up in here. The flood brings them up here every single time. They are loading up in here. There's TWRA sitting up there on the dam, or up there at the steps. That's a big one, buddy. We don't even got to measure that one. It's going right on the stringer. Look at here. Looky here. Second little crappie on the stringer. Boy, I hope we get into them. Look at there. That is nice. There's one. Trout. Doggone it. Trophy trout. Oh, no, not in the lap. Not in the lap. Not in the lap. All right, we're getting there. Wow. I mean, there he is. What are they? Oh, it's trout. Okay. I'm dangling this Bobby Garland off the front. Something's crushing it. And it's this trophy brook trout right here. And that's a no doubt trophy trout. Oh man, and there goes my boat. Darn. Look at here. A no doubter. Trophy trouter. Tennessee trophy trout. Bam. That's a good one. That's a good one. It's a crappie. Come on, baby. Oh, it's not a keeper. Now we've caught a few shorts today, but that's okay. There's some good crappie in here. We can get them. That's just not one of them. Right. He goes 9. He's not even as long as that little trout we got. I'm glad I just looked down at the camera. I've been talking to you guys for, I don't know, 10 full minutes. I've got some kind of fish on a bobby garland that has dragged me. We had to leave the anchor. It drags me way out to the middle, way up by the dam, back over here to the corner again. We still don't have a look at it. I've been trying to speculate the whole time I thought you were watching. I was trying to speculate as to what we might have. There's just no telling. It's just massive. And I cannot get a look at it. We got 6-pound test on an ultralight reel and a bobby garland. We're trying to get those crappie. We got something massive on here. It's dragging us so fast. I mean, we're cruising. Nothing I can do right now. We got to let this fish drag me and you and this kayak all around this river until it wears out and we get it in. There's nothing we can do. I haven't had a fight like this since I hooked the sturgeon in my kayak, but that was on an ultralight rod because we were fishing for trout with worms. Today we're trying to get these sturgeon. We're trying to get these crappie. We've got a couple nice ones on the stringer. We've got a bunch of little ones that, I mean, had to throw them back, but we're doing good crappie fishing. And then all of a sudden this thing, who knows what it is. Just come up to the surface. Just let us see what it is, and then I'll know, and then it'll be fine. Oh wow, there's one of those 2 propeller helicopters. What's it called, like a Huey or something? Oh right, the flooding. Right, it would be a national emergency. Yeah, I'm sure it's a federal disaster area. All the flooding we have, they're bringing in the armed forces because that's what we do. We take care of ourselves. And this is great. It's great to see. I've never seen one of those big, huge helicopters flying through Middle Tennessee. It's going to help people. Deliver supplies, or lift something, or move something, or deliver people or personnel. Yeah, that's going to help. Whenever things get their worst, that's what you got to do. Like Mr. Rogers, his mother told him, look for the helpers. That'll really, because it's been tragic. I mean, the superintendent of schools, his 9-year-old son got swept away and is in critical condition as of this filming, and another person in East Tennessee got hit by a tree and died. I mean, it was rough. And it's good to see the helpers. The first thing people do, first thing they get up in the morning is they go help. It's got to be exhausted. Come on, it's got to be exhausted. How long are we into this? 35 minutes into this fight. It's got to be exhausted. Come on. Come on. No, come on. No. I can't get this fish up. I can't get this fish up. I can't get a look at it. Can't get a bead. Can't get a read. Can't get a feel. Can't see the fish. Almost 40 minutes in now. That 6-pound test is a champ. Berkeley Trilene, extra smooth casting, 6-pound monofilament. Oh gosh. This thing's got to be 50 inches long. Either that or it's just hooked in the daggum tail. Oh, there it goes. It finally broke me off. Well, that was heartbreaking. That fish wore me out, and it still had enough kick to break that line. That's probably definitely a sturgeon. It's the biggest fish up here. Oh well, we're gonna sit in the corner here in the shade and eat a big old turkey sandwich and macaroni salad. Go. Nice trout. I put on a Berkeley Power worm. It's a pink worm. And there we go. It's quick release. It's just a little pink plastic worm, squiggle worm, and you can just run it at the surface. Oh yeah, this is fun. I know we could knock these trout off just one by one, boom, 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 all day long. They're not even hard to catch. Oh my gosh, I got that on camera. I got it on camera. He didn't get it. He didn't get what he was going after, but we got it on camera. Man, I mean, center dead up. Maybe just left the center on the screen. That was incredible. I don't think he knows we're here. That's an osprey that just did that. I don't think he knows we're here, because that scared the crap out of me. Boom, he just took another shot right now. He got that one though. He's got a fish in his claws. There we go. I got a little fish too. Crappie, I think. Feels like a crappie. Ah, it's a trout. That's a really big brookie. He a brookie. It is a really big brookie. A lot of these fish that look like this, his little gill plate covers don't go all the way across his gills. It's short on both sides. They're not going to do well if that's what they look like right out of the hatchery. See his gill plate cover? It doesn't cover his gill, and that fin isn't there at all. That's be a crappie, be a crappie. It feels like a trout. It is. I gave up clicking because you can catch as many as you want. got him. Oh my gosh, it's a big trout. It's so big. It's so big. That's one of them brookies. Oh yeah. Just on the other side of that tree limb. I can't see him. He's knocking it down though. Oh, he's got it at the tip of his, it's so big, he's got it at the tip of his beak. He can't, oh wow, that is incredible. Let's see if I can get you guys out of the harness here. Oh, he just took it down. He took it down. It's in his throat, wiggling. So that's 2 massive trout. I mean, the first one was like 7 inches. That one was 9 or 10 inches long. Yes, crappie. Yes, yes, yes. I've been trying so hard. I've been so patient. Oh, trout. I was doing that slow rolling crappie. Got that thump. I thought it was a crappie. It's a brook trout. But I'm happy to see brook trout in here. That's good. That's a little, it's a trout. Oh well, we'll call it a day. It's a little brookie. Nice one though. Nice trout. All right. Well, that was Thursday the 9th, flood day. Look at that. That's a trophy brook trout at the end of the day. Over 10 inches long. Oh, and there he goes. Yeah, when it floods, I still have to go fishing, so a lot of times I'll look to the schedules and see what the dams are doing. This one said no generator, so we were good to go. This right here, Center Hill Dam. And this trip is available in some form or fashion 365 days a year. We can fish from the steps, we can fish from my boat, we can fish from kayaks. There's something we can do. All trips have different prices, different numbers of hours. I'll work with you about, you know, scheduling. We'll get it in. Just hit me up. betterdaysfishing@gmail.com. Send me an email, I'll get back to you. Center Hill Dam, Caney Fork River. I tell people where to go fishing. If you like that kind of thing, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a better day.